Hi friends, in this video we will try to find out what is the value of 1 upon 4 divided by 1 upon 4 divided by 1 upon 4 divided by 1 upon 4. Is it a 0 or 1 or 4 or 16? So let's get started, guys. In the starting, very first operation I want to do is with this divided by sign. So this divided by sign I'm going to change into times. I am not going to touch this part at all. Okay, so let's say 1 upon 4. Now I'm changing this divided by sign into times. When I'm changing division into times, my next fraction I go to flip it. So 1 upon 4 will become 4 upon 1. As we decided this part, I'm not going to touch it. So there will remain divided by 1 upon 4 divided by 1 upon 4. Now 4 and 4 I can cancel out. So in the starting, I do have 1 divided by 1 upon 4 divided by 1 upon 4. Now we'll be focusing in that division sign. So I'll changing this division sign into times. So 1 multiply. Because my division is changing into multiplication, my this fraction I go to flip it, or I go to take the reciprocal of, which is going to be 4 divided by 1 divided by 1 upon 4. So now 1 times 4 is going to be 4. So there will be 4 divided by 1 upon 4. Now I'll be doing my workings here. So now the last divided by, if I change into times, so 4 times 1 upon 4, I go to flip, which will become 4 upon 1, and 4 times 4 upon 1, which is 16. So 16 is my final answer. So if I'm looking my ABCD, we can see 16 is matching with D. So D, 16 is my correct answer. Thank you very much, friends. See you. Bye.